In this slide we are going to see column and row span. Okay, table cells have two important attributes. So all of you now know what are the table cells. The table cells are the blocks in which the data is written. Okay, each data. Okay, they are called as the cell. We have seen the examples in the previous slides. So now you can see there are two attributes that define the cell. Okay, column span is the first attribute. It is having the spelling as colspan. The tag used is colspan, column span. Okay, means how much space the column will be taking. So you can see below it defines how many columns the cell occupies. Okay, means how many column a cell is occupying. So you can see the example I have drawn the diagram. First cell in square bracket 1 comma 1, one row and one column. Then second cell 1 comma 2, first row and second column. Then cell 2 is occupying second row and first column. Okay, one column. The 2 1 means what? It is having row second and one column. So you can see the second row is occupying two cells, as on the first line you can see the two cells are occupying two columns, whereas on the next line the cell is occupying two columns. You can see the difference. Okay, in the same way. Okay, I have a pop-up here. You can see column span 1, first cell is having column span is equal to 1, second cell is having column span is equal to 1, and the third cell which is below the above cells is having column span 2, because it is occupying two columns. I think all of you have understood this. Then the second is row span. Our row span is defined. So in this, how many rows are occupied within a cell? So first you can see cell 1 1, it is occupying two rows. Then cell 1 2 is occupying one row, and cell 2 1 is occupying one row. Row span of cell 1 1 is 2. Two rows are occupied one below the other. Row span of cell 1 2 is 1, and row span of cell 2 1 is 1. Okay, row span defines how many rows the cell occupies. Row span defines how many rows the cell occupies. Please keep this in mind. Simple example. Now we will see the table column span and row span example. So make a file in notepad by the name as table column span row span.html. You can give any name as you want. So this is the code. First you have to write the HTML tag, then body, head, title. Okay, all the things that are about that. I am writing only the basic code here. So starting of the table tag is there. Then cell spacing we have seen. Cell spacing is equal to 0. Table tag closed. Then opening the tr tag, class is equal to 1, tr tag closed. Then td cell 11 slash td. Then td column span is equal to 2. In the td we are defining the column span is equal to 2, cell 2 comma 1 slash td slash tr. So the cell 2 comma 1 will be having a column span of 2. Okay, then again tr class 2 row 2, in that td cell 1 2 slash td and td row span 2 cell 2 2 slash td. Now td row span is equal to 2 will be denoted to cell 2 comma 2, which will be occupying two rows slash td. Td cell 3 2 slash td slash tr. closing the row tag, then tr class 3 td cell 1 3 slash td, td cell 2 3 slash td. So in this example we have added a column span and row span of 2 2. Then we will see how will the output we will be getting. Okay, this is the same example which is defined previously, and this is the output which we will be getting. So you can see cell 1 1 and the below code or the code which we have written, cell 1 1, then cell 2 1. Column span is 2 for cell 2 1. You can see td column span is equal to 2 cell 2 1 slash td. So it is occupying two columns. Cell 1 is occupying one column. Then below that cell 1 2 is occupying one column. You can see in the code tr class is equal to 2 td cell 1 2. Okay, then below that we have written td row span is equal to 2 cell 2 2. So this cell 2 2 is occupying two rows because we have defined row span is equal to 2. Then cell 3 2 and cell 2 3 are occupying only one cell. So I hope you have understood all these examples. Please do these examples carefully. Attend the videos carefully. Okay, all these things are very much important to you. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, bye.